Good morning, ma'am. I am Priyansh Kamlesh from AIML. Today, I am here to present my project on the domain is text generation using LSTM, and my model name is feedforward neural network. In this project, I am using a Python with TensorFlow. Firstly, I've imported some libraries such as NumPy and TensorFlow, which mainly work make my work easier. For my LSTM, I have make a small data set to train it. Before training it, I have pre-processed my data. Firstly, I have convert all the uppercase and lowercase into a lowercase so that duplicacy can avoid it. After that, I am assigning unique values to each words because neural network work with numbers, not on text. After that, I am making a sequence that LSTM can learn from it, and uh, also make make all the sequence same by adding 0 at the beginning of it because LSTM requires input of the same length. After that, I am split data and labels so that my LSTM can learn very easily and build my LSTM model. Here I am providing a training on the basis of split. Uh, after it, after training, I'm testing it by generating text using temperature. And here's my example which I generate after testing. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.